Welcome back, guys. It's Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It? In this episode, I will go over the most important thing you can do with your crypto earnings and your stocks in this volatile market. So stay tuned for that, and let's get it. Welcome back to Will We Make It? It's Cosmo here. Yes, but there is one very important thing we all can do when we're dealing with our crypto and our stocks in this volatile market. And do you know what that important thing is? Well, I'm going to tell you here in just a moment. But first, we're going to go over some crypto news. We're going to take a look at the portfolios. And where is the bottom? I mean, is this ever going to end? Well, I'll be answering that question as well. So let's dive right in, shall we? All right, here we are. First up, we'll take a look at the crypto market. As you can see, it is taking a pounding right now. Bitcoin's down 16%, down to 32,000. Ethereum 15%. Solana's been getting hammered for months now. Really, there's no green anywhere in sight. Tron was doing pretty good for a little while by itself. For a little bit, but then dropped just along with every other crypto here on this list. ApeCoin, the big release of the metaverse with ApeCoin and all that big fiasco is really taking a hit on them. They're down 36% in the last 7 days. Decentraland and Mana are getting hit hard. Same as Axie Infinity. I remember when this was $180 for Axie Infinity, is down to $28. So what does all this show us? Well, basically, I mean, to me, it looks like a huge buying opportunity right now. And again, this is not, financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but, by dollar cost averaging in and purchasing, little bits of crypto every week or every 2 weeks, every month, however you do it, you basically are averaging your price down following these downward trends. And then when it does come back up, which I do believe it will come back up, you're going to reap those rewards. Unfortunately, we do not know where the bottom is going to be. In my personal opinion, I do believe we have not reached the bottom. I could see us dropping pretty more significantly because crypto is majorly correlated with the stock market. So if the stock market is doing bad, crypto is going to do bad. I mean, you've got a lot of this fear, uncertainty, and doubt going across the markets with inflation, Ukraine, gas prices, supply chain issues. There's just a lot of negative forces at work right now affecting the market, and it's causing a lot of negative impact on a lot of different factors throughout the markets and crypto. So as you can see, we continue to drop 17%, 16%, and I can see, we don't know where the bottom is going to be. We could see Bitcoin drop below 20K, and if it does, that's going to be a serious issue because there's a lot of large exchanges that do huge loans based on Bitcoin, and if they drop to 20K, you could see a margin call, and that would be very, very disastrous. Now here we can take a look at the market. As you can see, the Dow is down 1.34%, S&P down 2.3%, NASDAQ down 3.9%, and Russell down 2.55%. The VIX going up. These are basically indicators, more fear, more uncertainty. Everything is in the red right now. Now, how far we go, your guess is as good as mine. Like I've said before in previous videos, no one can predict the market, and no one has a magic ball that's going to say, all right, this is the time where we turn it around, or we're going to zero. Now, we're not technically going to go to zero. I don't see that happening, but I do see us dropping probably 4 or 5% more during this week, and we'll continue this trend until we see some relief in certain areas like the market, or in certain areas like supply chain issues, oil, futures, bonds, different things like that. Once those start leveling off, then we might see a turnaround in the market. Here we have my Robinhood account. As you can see, it's down $12 today, down 4%. I did make some moves. I basically started to hedge against the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. When the market goes down, you can shorten the market. So when it goes down, you go up, and if it goes up, you go down. So I did take some money out into some triple leverage against the NASDAQ, and as it goes down, it'll go up. So you can see it's up 8% today, to basically kind of counteract the losses from my other stocks. As you can see, SoFi, Neo, Netflix. Here we have my stash. I do continue to do my weekly auto invests, and I'm up to 552 right now, but I'm really down. So I'm down 82.55. This of course is including the market, but I continue to dollar cost average in, and hopefully when the market turns around, this will go up significantly. I'm continuing to add my positions to my current stocks, which are Nvidia, Apple, Tesla, Pepsi-Cola, Google, Coca-Cola, American Dividends, Facebook, Delicious Dividends, ETF, real estate ETF. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in these every week now. Coinbase, which I thought was a great buy because it's lost almost 80% of its value. So I went ahead and purchased that. I'm thinking about selling Rivian because Ford sold about 8 million shares of Rivian earlier this week or early last week. So considering of going ahead and selling that. I don't put any more money into it, so it's not real much of a loss, but it is going down. It's down 65%. So, but those are my main stocks in my stash account. I continue to dollar cost average. This Wednesday, I will be adding another $60, I do believe. $60 I'll be adding on May 19th. So we'll go ahead and continue to do that. That's not this week, that's in 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, I'll be adding $60 into that account. And here we have on my Gemini account, I went ahead and, of course, this is all going down as usual. This is to be expected when you're dealing with a volatile market. I added some more Sandbox. I even picked up Steppen, which is basically a cryptocurrency that involves walking. You can actually download an app and get paid simply to walk or run, and you get paid in crypto. So it's actually a unique and interesting idea. It's got some pretty high backers by it. I do believe Adidas and Nike are behind it. So it's pretty popular, but the thing is you can only get this app through invite only. So you can only get started with that. So you would have to join, some type of Twitter feed or some type of community involving this particular cryptocurrency, and then get an invite to basically utilize that app. I also added some more ApeCoin, which all are pretty much going down. I will continue to do so next week and further my positions, and hopefully things will turn around. So the most important thing you can do during this volatile time, I'm going to tell you right now, and that is nothing. Don't look at it. Turn off all your notifications. Turn off all of your settings. Basically, don't watch the charts, and just continue your strategy. Don't let the fear, uncertainty, or your emotions dictate your buys and sells. That is the most important thing you can do during this volatile market, is do absolutely nothing. Don't look at it. don't get your notifications. Turn them off from all your exchanges. Turn off those notifications on your phone. Because if you continue to weather this storm, even during down times and bad periods in the market, even bad years, the average return for the stock market is between 8 and 10% year after year. And now that is the average. So we'll get through this. The market will turn around. It's just don't let your emotions, everybody's down on their money right now. Everybody is down. ARK Investments is down 80% of their investments. And that is crazy to me. They are one of the largest financial firms in the market, and they are down about 80% on their investments. So you are not alone, and things will turn around. So just hold on and hold on and hang on tight. And of course, towards the end of the video, I like to update my profile for you guys. Here we have our last update, which is April 25th. Which was not too bad. I'm still down 17%. My current total 1374. My previous was 1278. Again, dollar cost average again. We're gonna go ahead and update this. I went ahead and already entered in the numbers. So here we go. I did this yesterday. So as of yesterday, now of course these numbers will change a little bit. I'm up to 1525. Previous total 1374. I am up to 19%, so we increased 2%, and I'm up $151 from the previous week. So not too bad. Even with this market, we're still moving along. Not as much as we'd like to be, but we're still, increasing. We're going in the right direction. Now, I expect this over the next couple weeks to not be as good. Might even lose a little bit of money, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, this bear market will turn around. But like I said, I think it's going to be a while before we see that happen. So that's my video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Share this video to others. Help me get this video out. And just hold on tight, guys. It's going to be a bumpy ride. I'll see you next time. Peace.